one moment you're fine, and the next, your face is scrunched up and the pressure builds until
Why do you close your eyes whenever you sneeze?
Maybe you've heard that you can't sneeze with your eyes open, and that your eyes close to keep them from popping out of your head. Well, that might happen in cartoons, but not in real life. Sneezes do move pretty fast. Stuff is shooting out of your nose at 100 miles an hour. Sneezes often start when something irritates your nose or your throat. A signal gets sent to your brain, and your brain is like, get this thing out of me. So it, in turn, sends a message to your chest to quickly contract the muscles, squeezing your lungs. As that air starts moving up, your throat muscles actually relax, and all that air, plus some saliva and mucus, comes shooting out. No wonder your eyes tend to close. But don't worry, your eyeballs wouldn't fall out even if they didn't close. Your eyelids aren't nearly strong enough for that. Your eyes are actually attached to your head by a bunch of ocular muscles, and those muscles are not about to let your eyes fall out. You could actually use your fingers to hold your eyes open while you sneeze, and your eyes would be just fine. But that sounds really uncomfortable, so I wouldn't recommend trying it. Our eyelids close when we sneeze because of an involuntary reflex that tells them to. Reflexes tell us to pull away from something hot or jerk a knee if it's tapped by a doctor. Biologists think this reflex might actually exist so that the stuff that's shooting out of our nose doesn't get in our eyeballs. Gross. I'll keep sneezing with my eyes closed, thank you very much. To make sure you never miss But Why, like this video and subscribe to our channel, and find out more at butwhykids.org.